Sorry, chat with my mom too. Okay, listen, I know. Welcome to the chat room. Oh, there's a new line. I don't think no one's here, but it says new. Okie dokie. Alright, this is me streaming. So here's what's happening. I had an interview, and I did not get the job, which shouldn't surprise me, but did, and I was sad. Um, they, anyways, I didn't pass the interview, and I feel like I should have. But anyways, I did poorly on problem solving, which, once again, whatever. So, I decided I'm going to go through and do a butt ton of Project Euler. Now, I also want to branch out because I'm getting very tired of Java. Done it for years, and it is about as boring as it gets. So, I'm going to be doing this in Python for now because I've got an AI slash ML thing I'm kind of into right now. After I get bored of Python, we'll probably go to Go, maybe Kotlin, maybe even C++ if we're feeling painful. Anyhoodle, I haven't written Python in 8 years, not since school, and that was one semester that I didn't try hard in. So this is going to be completely new. We're going to be writing it in Collaboratory, which is Google's like, is this right? No, Google Colabs. That's what we're using. It is just this lovely, cool. Okay, so it's this online, awesome little Python interpreter, I suppose we call it. So we can do text, we can do code, we can run individual chunks of code. I think all the chunks know about each other. I have literally not played with this. So we're starting today. And we are starting with Project Euler #1. This is FizzBuzz, which is cute. Actually, maybe it's not FizzBuzz. Okay, here's what it says. If we list all the natural numbers, sorry, I'm gonna do my chat over here in case someone chats me. But then look at you. You're literally our only hope here. Still live, still recording. Things are fine. My audio's working. Should I put on some music? I should put on some music. The problem with music is I'll get taken down. Can I put on some license-free streaming music, perchance? No. Maybe. Really quickly. Let's search for that. No, screw it. It's not it. Okay. Anyhoodle. Okay, so we've got Colab up over here. Okay, that's over here. This is the window we're watching. Okay. Let me move this over here. Sorry, guys. We're learning. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, I'm gonna move you over here. Sorry, this is kind of a new thing. Oh, that's my wifey. She texted me. Hold on, guys. What doing? Well, I'm streaming. Want to watch Walker together? Yes. But can we do that in like 20 minutes? I'm streaming a coding problem. I have 0 viewers. But one day I might have more. Or drink some nice warm poop juice. I don't need any poop juice. Alright, anyways. I'm on a timer, guys. I have 20 minutes. So let's do this thing. Here's the question. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, so we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Find the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below 1000. Okay, so we need to find all of the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. Multiples of 3 or 5. Okay, so that's not mix and match here. Not that it really matters. So all multiples of 3, all the multiples of 5 are only going to be unique. I would say, right? Yeah. The sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5. Good question. If something is a multiple of 5 and a multiple of 3, say 15, Does that count once or does that count twice? I am going to say that counts once. That's my bet. Okay, so we want to find all the multiples of 3 or 5 below 1,000, and then we want to sum them. Okay, so remember that. In fact, let's just put that. let's put that text into our little collab notebook, right? This is text right here, right? Hey, come back. Paste. Oh, do I not have paste? I'm not pasting. Behold. Cool. Awesome. Okay, that is excellent. Look at that. We just pasted that right here into our notebook. Oh, that great. Okay. So we can trash this text. Okay. This is Python. Hello, Python. Hello, Python. I literally don't know how to write you. Hello, Python. I literally don't know how to write you at all. Like, seriously. It's been forever. We can def something. Let's define. No, you know what? Let's just say print. Print. Heyo. Seriously, like, does hello world work? And then to run this, I think I can do Control Enter. Yeah, Control Enter will run it. It's trying to run right now. Heyo, I think it worked. Python's magic. Okay, so here's what we're going to need, right? Let's try this. I want to put text. I put text. Let's put text above it. Dude, I'm sure it's for that. Here's what I want to do. Okay. So one, if this was Java, I'd say create a set of integer that contains all multiples of 3 or 5, right? So specifically, that would be, I would do a loop, right? For loop, right? If I equals 0, it's less than 1,000. I plus equals 3, right? We'll just start with 3. How about that? That'd be stupid, right? And we would just say whatever our set is, set.add I, right? We would do something like that. Cool. Also, I don't really know what is this markdown? We gotta be markdown, right? Oh, Control or Shift Enter moves you to the next area working on. Cool. Does that work? No, sure doesn't. So it's not quite markdown. Well, it certainly says it's markdown. Really, not important. Those are just comments anyways, right? But if I, oh, hold on, let's do this, right? If I tab it in, I think it thinks it's code, right? How does that work? Nope, sure doesn't. Wait, why is it not a break there? Is it double enter that makes a break? Yeah. Oh, okay, something like that. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, okay. Nope, nope. If I tab it in, does that work? Alright, we're gonna figure that out later. Not important. Okay, so what I want to do is I want a list, Python list, of integers that are the multiples of 3. So let's go to some Python docs. Okay, Python loop. Is this wiki.python.org? Is that the right one? Or docs.python.org? I think this is the one I'm supposed to read, right? If statements. Okay, we got ifs and we got fors. The for statement of Python differs. Rather than always iterating over an arithmetic progression of numbers, or giving the user the ability to find both the iteration step and the halting addition, Python's for statement iterates over the items of any sequence, a list, or a string in the order that they appear in the sequence. For example, no pun intended. I'll give it. Okay. Okay, I can make a list right here. That's neat. For W word, print W, and then length of W. Cool. Range, I think is what we want. If you do need to iterate over a sequence of numbers, the built-in function range comes in handy. It generates arithmetic progressions for I in range of 5. That goes 0 to 5, or 0 to 4, right? Okay, yeah. The given endpoint is never part of the journey, so it's inclusive in the beginning, exclusive at the end. Okay, so range 5 to 10. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Range 0 to 10. Step of 3. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So let's do this. Yeah. So what I want to do is for I in range, okay, we start at 3. We need to go to 1,000, and our step is 3, right? Okay. So what I want to say, print I. Now if I do this, I should get all of the multiples. Oh, bother. Oh, it needs colon, which is weird, right? That it needs a colon, but humans have colons, and so does Python apparently. Okay, that looks good, right? Yeah, I think I did it. Hey, okay, cool. So what I want to do is, oh yeah, let's. Oh man, this is interesting, right? Because one thing we could do, right, is we could just declare a variable, sum equals 0, right? And I could say sum plus equals I, but that won't work because one read multiples 5 as well, and that would double count if we did this separately for loop on 5. So let's just do this, right? From 3 to 1,000, let's just say, do this, right? From 0 to 9999. What I want to do is I want to say if I mod 5 is equal to 0, or I have no idea if the syntax is correct. I mod 3 is equal to 0, colon, right? I need to tab in that, and then I'm out of that tab, out of the next one. I want to say print sum, right? Let's give this a try. Of course, invalid syntax. So here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna look through Python docs. This is great. I like this. Logical. This is what's new in Python? Me. I am new in Python. That is what is new. New features. I don't need new features. I don't really want new stuff. I want the getting started. Logical operators. Go. That's not it. Getting started. Using Python on Windows. Tutorial. Okay, so I'm not very good at this. All right, Python.org. Here we go. Documentation. Beginner's guide. That's me. I'm a beginner. All right. Getting Python, learning Python. Yeah, sure. All right, here we go. Wait, I thought you just had like a good thing to start with here. Like, what's going on, Python? Why am I on the wiki? Like, I don't. Do we have like the Python docs? Python docs. Getting started. I thought that was a thing. Yeah, the Python tutorial. Bingo, freaking bingo. That's what I wanted. Okay. Whetting your appetite? My appetite is already wet. Thank you very much. Using the Python interpreter. The interpreter. An informal intro. Let's do that. Numbers. Strings. I need conditionals. Conditional. Logical. Or is kind of a terrible thing. If then the next one is no. I was probably actually in the right spot. If statements. Yes, it's elif switch. Or statements. Range. Break, continue, else on loops. What's else on loop? I should read this, but probably not on stream because that feels boring. No, it doesn't. You love to see me read stuff. Defining functions. Hey, I can define functions. That's cool. Man, this thing. Yes, this language. It's just like, hi. I'm pretty loosey-goosey. You are loosey-goosey. That's okay. Yeah, man, I'll read these one day. Special parameters. That sounds like me. Ah! What the? You have one type? Or? That's not it. Okay. I think it's keywords? Anything keywords? I don't even know. Okay, that's cool. I don't know. Here's what that. Okay, I feel like I need it here, but let's go. Python logical operators. Python. Thank you, W3 schools. There's or. Mod still works, that's good. Comparison operators. Nope. Or, we just say or. We say not. Cute. Alright. Or and. Neato burrito. Alright. Or. That's adorable. Okay, cool. Let's try that. Hey, that's a number, right? Who knows if that number's correct? The first problem that gave us, right? Okay, can I just murder that? That was garbage. Goodbye. Okay, if it's 10. So if the range goes to 10, right? And we run that puppy, we get with 23. And it says it is 23. So if we say 1000, right? Behold, that's the number it gives us. Now that number's probably accurate. I would wager that it is. Our code looks good. I guess I could submit it and see. Maybe I'll just submit it, right? Copy something. I don't want to copy something. I just want this value. Can I copy the selection? Behold, selection. Okay, cool. Here we go. Answer is 233,168. Hey, I got that answer. And apparently, guys, I got this answer right 7.5 years ago. It was a Wednesday, just so y'all know. Okay, so I got that one right. It was 233,168. And here's what we learned about Python. We learned that they use and or for their logical operators. We do ranges here, which is cool. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. I can get behind that. There's bugs, guys. We did it in Python. Cool. And that is as good as this is gonna get. So let's go. Try to do the next one really quick now that I am fluent in Python. Let's just do it in the next one, okay? Can I do a new section? How do I add a new section? Right? Code text. I want a section, guys. Let's go to table of contents. Yeah. Good. New section. Can I change the name of this? Let's just do Euler 1. Euler 1. Oh, can I just change the name of this? How do I edit this guy? There you go. Oh man. I'm gonna have to learn this. Euler 1. It's Fizzbuzz, guys. Cool. Got it. Alright, this new section is gonna be Euler 2. Euler 2. Oh, my audio's okay. Yeah, looks like this. Cool. No one's come to my chat room yet. I'm very sad. I'm not actually sad. Let's see what Euler 2 is all about, y'all. Okay, Euler 2. I have solved this, guys, and the answer is 4613732. Same Wednesday. Cool. Even fibs. Problem 2. Each new term in the fib sequence is generated by adding the previous new term. Blah, 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 blah. Here are the 10 fibs. By considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose values do not exceed 4 million, find the sum of the even valued terms. Okay. So I want all of the Fibonacci numbers up to 4 million. Do not exceed, so less than or equal to 4 million. And then we want to find the sum of the even valued terms. So what we're going to do is we're going to generate a list that contains, well, we don't have to generate a list, we just do this in place. We're going to generate all of the Fibonacci sequence less than or equal to 4 million. As we generate them, we'll see if the value was even, and if it was, we're going to add it to this sum, okay? So that doesn't seem too hard. Let's give that a shot over here. Whether to even is less than or equal to 4 million. Cool. Okay, let's just do this right here, okay? So we have sum is equal to 0. Now we're going to start, what do we start with? Let's get the prompt text here. Cool. We start at 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. First equal 1, second equal to 2. And then what we do is we say while result less or no, yeah, I hope it still works. Colon. I'm going to say that result for this. Okay, result equals 0. Well, result is equal to first plus second. First is equal to second. Second is equal to result. If result mod 2 is equal to 0, we're going to say sum plus equals result, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to say print result. Okay. I might have just written valid. I don't. Let's give it a try. Control enter to run. Oh, right. Fine. Still fine. 5702887. Is that what I had last time? No, it's clearly not what I had last time. Okay, so if we go to the first 10 terms will be. Okay, here's the thing. We're considering terms of the Fibonacci sequence whose values do not exceed 4 million. I think that's good. Huh. Okay, let's do this real quick. This is gonna be a disaster. Let's just do this. We're just gonna go through 10, right? The first 10, what does that end up with? 89, so let's do 100, right? Less than 100. And what I want to do is I want to say print result, right? Okay. Let's just check and make sure we get the right numbers, right? Oh, we didn't start with 1 and 2. I don't know that matters, right? We have 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 35, 89, right? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, here's something interesting, right? Why the result is less than 1,000. I am getting. Oh, putting this on, guys. So we were printing result, which was not the right thing to print. We were printing something silly. If we try this, we get 4613730, which it appears 4613732. I am excluding 2, right? Yeah, because we didn't add that right. Okay. So how do we want to do this, right? So basically what we're saying is that 1 and 2 weren't included in the sequence where we're checking, okay, if it's even, we want to add that, right? I could just add 2, right? Instead of handling everything in this list. Since the first 2 are given, what's a clean way to do that? Preferably, we would do everything in this list, right? Don't really want to. I mean, if I was, what if I did 1? The first term is 1, and then the second term is 2, right? So if I do 0 and 1, right? Does that get it right? So our first one will end up being 1, right? And then our second one, okay, so we're gonna have 0 plus 1 is always 1, right? So the first is gonna be 1, and there's also, okay, yeah, this will work. So if I start at 0 and 1 instead of 1 and 2, I believe we get the correct answer. And we get 4, 6, 1, 3, 7, 3, 2. Yeah, that's better, right? So we just have to say that our first two terms are 0 and 1, and then we go through the denominator. All right, I'm going to call that good. So where are we at? Well, we did 2 of these, which is not impressive, but we wrote valid Python, and it's actually pretty straightforward, right? Nothing crazy so far. Syntax is fine. Indentation's not bad. Of course, these are like 10-line programs, but I'm going to call this good. All right, so what do we know, y'all? We know that I can write Python. I did solve a handful of these problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I solved 7 of these in the past. I will probably go ahead and start on 8 next time, right? I don't know if the rest of these are interesting. So yeah, I'll probably go right onto 8 next time. And my goal is to do 4 of them this month, 4 ones I haven't done yet. February is short, but I got plenty of time. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and do that. It's been a perfect pleasure. Thank you for joining my stream. I mean, I understand none of you actually joined me, so there's nobody in chat saying hello. But that's fine. I'm going to post this to YouTube, just to have garbage on YouTube. I'm not sure if it's better to have crappy content or no content at all, but for now, we're going to go with crappy content. So going to post that up. Holler at me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyways, hope you all having a good one. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Hope you're staying home, staying safe. Cool. It's been a pleasure. Thanks, y'all. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.